Welcome. If you want to manage notification settings on your ALCATEL One X 2019, enter settings. Then we have to click on the apps and notifications. Scroll down a little bit, tap on the notifications, and here we have the three options, app notifications. And right now we can manage the notifications for a very application available here. So if you get a lot of notifications from the Facebook, you can enter this application and turn off these notifications permanently. The second one was on the lock screen, so we can just show the content on your lock screen, or just don't show, or just hide it. And the last one is the notification sound, so we can choose your favorite sound and set it up. Thank you for watching. Leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.